French. Let's play that. Wait. What? I'm trying to remember the intercontinental ballistic missile variation that comes from this. Never mind. It's something like this, probably. Nah. Yeah, I can't even remember what the line is. I'm going to look that up. Interesting sacrifice. I don't think it works though, surely. Let's play king here. Just to be cheeky. Sometimes that is the only way not to get checkmated in some positions. To literally just play your king out. I'm just doing it for a laugh, not because I've calculated anything. It might actually be necessary in this case though, because queen h4 is really, really dangerous. And Alid is completely baffled. What do we do next? I want to attack this. Give the king some... This seems very wrong. I also have moves like rook to here. They can wait. Black has no flags. My king is nicely defended on the front and the back. What if I just like start sacking immediately? Takes, check. Here, take. No. I might have had some ideas, but not really anymore. Okay, I have rook takes and then rook here check, queen. Yeah, there are ideas of some kind, for sure. No, I don't. I don't want to. I don't want to put my king in the way of my queen. Now I have stuff like this though. Let's do this immediately. What discoveries do we even have? Let's just move our queen across one. We can leave that part of the board. We've got this coming. We've got discovery. Yeah, actually, we've got the discovery and then this and then this. Does that idea work anymore now? No, it doesn't, because it's been discovering this square. Let's do this now. Yep, don't think that works. There we go. So, king to g3. Absolutely beautiful move. Let's actually have a look at see what Stockfish has to say in this position. Yes, that is the engine move. It's still reading an advantage for black, but that is in fact the engine move. What about what are the other moves like? This is -8. This is -6, and this is making 2. So yeah, technically I'm still losing, but and then yeah, they should have just moved the knight out of the way apparently. This is a draw, and then this is just completely winning for me. Absolutely wonderful.